Guys, you know who's back? It is me. I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back. I am back, guys. Yes, I'm very sorry that I didn't upload a video for a month or a year because I was in school and exam, practice dancing and singing for the graduation, and I'm gonna be in grade 7. Since you didn't know, I lived in Philippines, Agusan del Norte, from Butuan City, and I became a little dumber. Yeah, but not. I'm not literally dumb. So guys, I'm very sorry. I will make videos tomorrow if I have no homework. And there is a new account. Subscribe on him.
Gumamit ng personal na impormasyon o mga karaniwang
He is making a video now.
dalawa.
In this girl,
Ang pangalan
this
ng
girl,
iyong kalye o
he will make a video account. He will make a YouTube account in YouTube. Subscribe both. The name is Pauline Marilia, and I don't know what his name. So bye guys. Subscribe.